I am a national board certified teacher. I taught in the classroom for 10 years. Teaching was my life, is still my life, but now I am a stay-at-home mom with a tiny little classroom of my own, my 2 kids, Abby and Axel. Abby just turned 4 and she's starting to be really engaged with learning about letters, learning about phonics, learning about reading in general because she wants to be the one that reads to her little brother. My job as an ex-teacher and as a current parent is to set my children up for success in life. The way I'm going to set them up for success is to make sure I foster a love of learning. So right now, I want to make sure that they are learning constantly, but they are developing a love of learning and having fun doing it. Square Panda has really been the key to our success at home, and I wish I had it in my classroom when I was teaching. Square Panda is a phonics learning system. You use your iPad, or I use my iPad, I guess you could use any kind of smart device paired with a smart bar that it comes with and these tiles, letter tiles. On the iPad, you download or you choose from many Square Panda apps, and the levels range from beginner to advanced when it comes to phonics. When you start the app, your app will automatically pair with your playset. Then you will just use the letter tiles and follow the app's directions in order to complete each task. Square Panda basically turns screen time into learning time. I don't feel guilty anymore when my kids ask to play with the iPad. Another reason why I love Square Panda is because it's not just focused on rote memorization, but it actually builds conceptual knowledge of phonics and letters. It teaches your kids about the letters, their sounds, what happens when you put them together, and how to actually make words. If I were still teaching in the classroom, I would use Square Panda as one of my phonics centers for small groups, or as an intervention tool when I pulled kids to the back to work with me. I may also use this as an incentive for kids that finish their work early. Since I am no longer teaching in the classroom, I use this as playtime with my kids, and we are on this for a minimum of 20 minutes a day.
I love Square Panda because it's so much fun and I get to play it every time. And I get to play the letter. My favorite letter is B. I like to play the farm game, but there's a lot of Square Panda games. I play Square Panda every day.
I've been using Square Panda for a while now, but the reason why I am so very excited is because they are coming out with their 2nd generation of Square Panda products. It is everything you love about the Square Panda you know, except for the fact that it is smaller and more compact, so you can take it with you wherever you go. It comes with this little carrying case, so you can also take the letters with you wherever you go, even if you're traveling or going to Grandma and Grandpa's house, so learning does not have to stop. And they have slashed the price, so it is cheaper and more affordable for everyone. If you are interested in trying Square Panda for a friend, for yourself and your kids, for your grandkids, or even for your classroom, which is what I wish I would have done, then make sure you click on the link in the description. Don't forget to let me know what you think when you give Square Panda a try. I want to hear your testimonials as well.